True earthling wears no shoes. No shoes. Because he wears one with nature, I guess. Not wears one with nature, but he is one with nature. It's awesome. You feel the ground beneath your feet. It feels so good. So I have been uploading music stuff. But this time, it's just going to be vocals, which is kind of cool in a way. As long as you keep in tune, it should be good. So, doing the mind over matter, all that other fun stuff. So, I'm going to give this a shot. You guys probably already know this song. It's a really popular song, and we'll see how it goes. So, just sit back and enjoy. And I just got to start thinking this song in my head and go from there. I wanted you to know I love the way you laugh. I wanna hold you high and steal your pain away. I keep your photograph 'cause I know it serves me well. I wanna hold you high and steal your pain, because I'm broken when I'm lonesome and I don't feel right when you are gone away. And you're gone away, you don't feel me anymore. The worst is over now, and we can breathe again. I wanna hold you high and steal your pain away. There's no much left to learn, there's no one left to fight. I wanna hold you high and steal your pain, because I'm broken when I'm open and I don't feel right when you aren't strong enough. Because I'm broken when I'm lonesome and I don't feel right when you are gone away. Hope you guys enjoy. I know it's not the full song, but yeah, you know. And then it just repeats like 4 times. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Have a good one.